you know, I'm 83, and what's going to happen to me is going to be happening to me when God wants it to happen to me. He knows that I'm 83, and so he had to give me something to pull this all together. That couldn't happen to a guy from Pittsburgh that was raised the way that I was raised. God wants you to be kind. Kind to your family and kind to other people. That's what he wants. And I think that's what's inside of me. And it was put there by these people. You know, as a young man, I went to St. John the Baptist parochial school and was taught by the Sisters of Charity for 8 years. And we had an hour of religion every day. And then in high school, I went to Central Catholic High School in Pittsburgh. For 4 years, we had an hour a day of religion on a higher, intellectually higher level than grade school. I participated in things like being an altar boy, being a choir boy, and my grandmother was an uber Catholic. At times before I was even in school, my grandmother would, every Monday night after dinner, we would go the 2 blocks to the church, and we would go to a Monday miraculous medal novena that lasted for about an hour, and then we would go home. And on Friday nights, we would go the 2 blocks, and that was the Sacred Heart Novena, which lasted for an hour. And so I was involved in a lot of education about how to live right. And not to say that I've always done that, but I always knew what I was supposed to do. And when I didn't do it, I knew where to go for forgiveness. I was taught in high school by the Christian Brothers. Now, the Christian Brothers are, even Catholics sometimes don't know what I'm talking about. The Christian Brothers are people that take vows of poverty, chastity, and obedience. Same vows, I believe, as priests take. And they live a life together in not a convent, but it's Central Catholic. At the time I went there, there must have been, I'm going to say 30 of these brothers to cover all the classes. These brothers were within walking distance to 3 universities close by Central Catholic. And so it was nothing to have a brother teaching you who had a master's degree. I don't think there was any that didn't have them, but anyway, and quite a few of them would go on to doctorates. What that gives you is some insight into the differences in religion. There's only one God, just one. It's just one God. God wants you to be kind. Kind to your family and kind to other people. That's what he wants. And I think that's what's inside of me. And it was put there by these people. Maybe that's why I was involved in this. I don't know, but people have stopped saying, you know, you're in it for money. Because if I was in it for money, I would only been in it for maybe 3 days, and then I'd have been out of it. However, I am not in it for popularity either, because so many people are telling me to go to Russia and go to England and stay away from crowds and this, because something might happen to me. Well, you know, I'm 83, and what's going to happen to me is going to be happening to me when God wants it to happen to me. And he knows that I'm 83, and so he had to give me something to pull this all together. And that couldn't happen to a guy from Pittsburgh that was raised the way that I was raised, and I don't want to say I'm special in any way, but
God has a purpose for every one of us.
Yeah.
And you've found a purpose.
Yeah. And I wouldn't be surprised if there are other people that God has put on this thing who just never got into it, you know.
So how blessed are you to have found your purpose and realized it?
Yeah. I'm glad I was chosen, and I will continue to do things to get the word out. I just wanted to say where I came from. Yeah.